Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So, soft reset or forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. And all you have to do here is to press the power button and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and keep it pressing. Ignore any kind of connections, whatever is showing on the screen, probably Gemini, ignore it. Keep pressing the power button. We've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. I like to keep it pressing until I'll see the developer's logo. Now it is here, so we can release the finger, and all we have to do is to simply wait until our device will be fully powered on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.